Chief Executive Member CEM ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC Mathom Borshiwat hakalai pho tarik risaw. Ulaong baka council ka kloy ban pediang ya jing terwa jong sorkar. Ban pensiu tulop syakinong trey. Henry kani kan long haringkat pat kikindon. Ngin pediang ya kan jing terwa jong sorkar. Henry haringkat kikindon ong umat hombor habakren syakilat patai kubor hadien ka jingalang bat usembut menteri rangba. Ubakmi yakatana District Council Affairs DCA ubak Preston Tensong ubala kali halor ka rajong ka council hakabaya day bat ka ni ka jing terwa. Watla kata upentip baka council kandang hab ban IT ka jubab jongka syaka sorkar jala. Katkum kini gikindon u CEM ula batay halor ka jingkwa jong ka council ban penyat hino ialah ki jongki jingdon jing M kentup iki mines minor mineral bat transport yaki bala lumenta da ka sorkar jala. Na kalyang ka council kakwa ban penduna ya ka jingshania hak sorkar jala bat pan jingarap halor ka rukam penyat ya ka platingka jongka. Hakabaya day baka jingthut hakalyang ka pisa tingka hai kini san hadu enriu benai baladam uma thombor ula ong baka council kadang am ya ka sorkar jala ban kenya ki bha ki badai ban siu sya ka council. Hadien baladap ban keny ban dia ka council kan saraya ka rukam trikam ka babut.
Till date, we didn't submit that agreement to the government whether we are accept or not to pay the salary from the government. That is the thing, not yet solved. No? Today also I met the chief minister, but he asked me about that thing. So actually we have done it. We will accept it, but in condition. Condition to, because you know our district council have its own resources. Suppose revenue concern from mines, this is of forestry from major, from minor, and from transport. This collection they used to collected by the state government, then they will pay to them. No, might be we could not depend on our council, but we want the help from the state government. So we will see what is the state government because at present some share of the council could not be calculated. No, so if calculated, then we will see what we will get. No, they will give us not. It is our share. We have to accept. No,